scientific study of RIG VEDA class 62. Today we are going through the Sooktha-27 of Mandal-1. Here the Devada is Agni and Vishwa, all other Devadas. Here today we are going through the mantra 1, 2 and 3 because these are related with a particular form of energy. Agni is energy. This energy may be in different forms, and one form is electricity. When electricity flows through a wire, a magnetic flux is producing around it. So there are magnetic fluxes, that is magnetic energy. So magnetic flux is another form of Agni energy, and in this they are explaining about it, that magnetic flux or it is related with electromagnetic waves also. Electromagnetic waves also are propagating in different forms. So it may be either magnetic flux or electromagnetic waves. So let us go through the mantra 1, 2, 3 one by one. First, let us go through the first mantra and see what it says.
RIGVEDam Mandala 1 Sooktham 27 Rishi Shunashevan Devadagni Vishwadevanmar Chandas Gayatri Ashwamnatva Varavandam Vandadhyagni Namobhihi Sambrajandam Atvaranam.
It says this Agni or energy is like a hose with a deep ground air. Hose is energy, we know. As per Veda, if we are referring it as hose, that means energy. The hose with the air means a thick air going around it. That means through the wire, when energy flows, electrical energy flows, it produces a number of waves around it. That may be magnetic flux or electromagnetic waves. It says, you are the king of all Yajnas. King of all Yajnas means at present days, we are using these electromagnetic waves for communication or everything. Even all mechanical equipments are operating by these fluxes, electromagnetic waves, and they are produced with the help of this magnetic flux also. So it is the king of all energies. We are approaching that Agni by tracing using Sooktha. Sookthas means Vedic or modern science principles. So produce such waves, to use such waves in modern, to apply it in modern technology, we should approach it based on modern science or Vedic scans. These are Vedic Sooktha's, which tells something about magnetic flux or anything like that. So we should follow these rules or science principle to trace such Agni. Now let us go through the second mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandala 1 Sooktham 27 Sakhana Sonu Shavasa Pradupragama Sushevaha Midvamasmaham Babhuvayad.
It says it is the son of force, or it possesses force. How it is producing by force, by using force, we are sending electrons to go through the wire. By rotating the armature, electricity is producing. So by force, we are producing electricity. So it is, and that flowing electricity is producing magnetic waves. So these are the sum of forces, or these magnetic fluxes possess energy. In simple words, we can say like that. These magnetic forces, these fluxes possess energy. They are expanded in form. Vishal, expanded in form. That means this flux will spread throughout the universe. It will spread throughout. The electricity is flowing through the wire, but the magnetic fluxes or electromagnetic fields are spreading throughout the universe. They are in enlarged form. These possess moving quality. This possess energy to move throughout the space. That is, electric field possess energy to flow, to pass throughout the space, or electromagnetic waves will go throughout the space. It is with the brightness. These magnetic waves can produce light energy also. It gives pleasure to us. Pleasure to us means we become enjoyable when we are using these equipments. It depends on magnetic principles, electromagnetic principles. This gives us what all things we desire. We satisfy our desires. Desires means all our present day satisfactions are based on these communication systems. Mobile, we are using mobile, that laptop or anything like that. It satisfies our desires. So such energy should be us, only belong to us. That means it is a friend of us. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-3. സനോ ദൂരാശ്ചാസ്തുനി മർത്യാരഘായോ പാഹി സദമിത് വിശ്വായു.
It says this energy is traveling throughout, everywhere. That is electromagnetic waves or electric flux. They are capable to travel throughout the space. It tells us to remove our hurdles if it is very near or very far away. If there is very far away some object, we can control that. Sometimes an enemy plane is coming. With the use of these magnetic waves, we are detecting it, and by concentrating it, we can send the missile. Everything is controlled by this. Movement of the missile also is controlled by this magnetic pulses. Controlling pulses. These are all related with the magnetic flux or electromagnetic waves or anything like that. And it tells it to protect us. So for our protection, we are using several weapons, most of which are controlled by this electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic technology science. Now we can go through the other mantra in the next class.